Welcome everyone, this is MTech Tutorials. Today we are going to see what strings of material is, fundamental concepts in strings of materials, and finally its application area. I hope you will get important tips about the subject. In the first section we will see what is strings of materials. Strings of materials is also known as mechanics of materials. Is a branch of engineering mechanics that deals with the behavior of solid materials subjected to external forces. It focuses on understanding how materials respond to loads and stresses and how they deform and fail under different conditions. The primary objectives of strings of materials is to analyze the internal stresses and strain within a material and assess its structural integrity and performances. In the second section, what is the fundamentals of strings of materials? The scope of strings of materials encompasses various aspects, including stress analysis. Strings of material involves the analysis of internal stresses that develop within a material when subjected to external forces. The second one is strain analysis. It examines the distribution of stress and they reflect on materials' behavior, such as deformation, stress, strain, and failure. It explores the deformation characteristics of materials under applied loads and studies the resulting strains. Strain analysis helps in understanding the material's response to external forces and provides insight into its mechanical properties. The third one is structural analysis. Strings of materials provides the necessary tools and the techniques to assess the strength and the performance of structures, such as beams, columns, shafts, and plates. The fourth one is design and optimization. By understanding the behavior of materials under various loading conditions, strings of materials assist us in design and optimization of structures and mechanical components. It is helpful to select appropriate materials, dimensions, and configuration to ensure structural integrity and efficiency. Fifth one is failure analysis. Strings of materials investigate the causes and mechanisms of material failure, such as fracture, fatigue, and creep. It aims to identify the factors that lead to failure and determine ways to prevent or mitigate them in engineering design. The sixth one is experimental testing. Strings of materials involves experimental techniques to validate theoretical analysis and evaluate material properties. It includes testing methods like tension, compression, torsion, bending, and impact to measure materials response and obtain data for design and analysis. The third one is what is the application area of strings of materials. Strings of materials is crucial in civil engineering for analyzing and designing structures such as buildings, bridges, dams, and the tunnels. The other application is in mechanical engineering. In mechanical engineering, the strings of materials is used to analyze and design mechanical components and machines. The other is in aerospace engineering. Strings of materials plays a significant role in aerospace engineering for design and analysis of aircraft and spacecraft and related components. In automotive engineering, it utilizes a strings of materials principle to design and analyze various components of vehicle, including chassis, suspension systems, and engine parts. The other application is in manufacturing and material science. Strings of materials is relevant in manufacturing process such as forming, machining, casting, and welding. The other application is in structural engineering. The strings of materials is fundamental to structural engineering, involving the analysis and the design of large-scale structures like skyscrapers, stadiums, and offshore platforms. In material selection and design, the strings of material assist us in the selection of appropriate materials for a specific application based on their mechanical properties. It helps us to choose materials that withstand anticipated loads, stresses, and environmental conditions, leading to efficient and reliable designs. These are just a few examples of the application area of strings of materials. The principle and the concepts of this field find utility in numerous other industries and disciplines where understanding the behavior of materials under various loads is essential. Well, this is all about lecture 1 of introduction section. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will see how stress and strain are interrelated by using stress diagram. Furthermore, alternate strings, unit strings, and Hooke's law will be discussed in detail. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.